Hello guys, we are at Into Wellness Product Experience Center here in Pune. Today I'm going to demonstrate this ISO-Lateral Chest Back machine by Into Wellness RealleaderUSA. We have an athlete with us, so we will demonstrate what is the mechanism of this machine and how does it function, how to do it properly. Please have a seat. First, you need to make sure that the shoulders are in proper alignment. Just grab the handles first. Okay, so when you see that if there is too much of stress on the shoulder joint, you need to readjust the seat. Okay, just a moment, put out there. Okay, sit down. Here you can adjust the seat, and the bar should be in the midline of the chest. The machine is designed in such a manner. It is basically why it's called isolateral, because both these handles work individually. And if you have some kind of strength disparity on your right or left arm, then you can fix it up. And at the same time, it has got two loading horns. You can, load the weights individually. Then, okay, fine. So while, as you can see, the movement of the machine, it's going in natural arc. Just like when we do bench press, the bench press basically has a path in a curve motion, right? It's like this. So normally हम लोग जो bench press करते हैं, जो curvilinear मतलब इस तरह से आता है, curve motion में आता है, curvilinear motion बोलते हैं. So the same thing has been applied here. So the biomechanics are really correct. So do 2 or 3 repetitions. As you can see from the side, the bar is moving in a curve, okay, to optimize maximum pectoral development. Okay, and the benefit of this machine is that it has got 2 equipments at the same time. You can do it. You can do back exercise also at the same time. You can do chest exercise also, and you can do the movements unilaterally like this. Come on, do it. Do it from the other side. Okay. And along with this, you will get the natural feel of free weights, and that too under guided movement. The machine is basically in a fixed joint. Fixed joints are there, so the machine move in a direct, fixed path. Then we'll move on to the back machine. Sit down. See, basically the function of the lats is to do internal rotation. So you have to see that the handles are designed in such a manner that you have to have a supinated grip like this. And while adjusting the seat, you need to see that you need to have a slight stretch. There should be 2 or 3 inches gap between the arms and the handle. So grab it. Brace your core. Your spine should be in neutral position. Now pull it. Okay. These machines basically work the rhomboids, the upper part of the lats, and the mid trapezius. And there is minimal involvement of the biceps in this machine because the machine is designed in such a manner to focus mainly on the back muscles. And the handles are also, the handles are quite thick enough to, create a mind-muscle connection and to hit the muscles in the proper manner.